Chonk, it's been a rough day. Sometimes it feels like the world just gets too loud. Chonk, I just don't know what to do anymore.
Classic burnout. You see, Emi, life's problems usually come from one thing.
What thing?
An empty stomach. Stress is.
So, your cure for stress is food?
Food first, nap second, then repeat until all emotions disappear.
You're not really a therapist, are you?
I have a PhD in snacks and sleep.